Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Dragonfire gun in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out in the middle of the gun. So we're just going to draw one line like this, and then we're going to slant it down, and then we're going to come across again. And then from there we're going to come down. So it's kind of like a rectangle, but except we have that little shape up there. Okay, so we're going to close it off. And then let's start with the trigger and grip. So right in the middle, we're just going to come down, come across, and then we can go back up. So that's going to be where the trigger is. But let's draw in the grip first. So we're going to come down slightly on the back here, and then we're going to slant. And then from here, from the corner, we're going to do the same slant. Come down slightly, and then we're just going to close that off. So that's going to be the grip. So then for the trigger, just draw another little box in there, and then we just got to draw the trigger in here. Okay, so from here, let's finish up the this little drum here. So from on the front here, we'll just draw in another rectangle, and then we'll add in some details. We'll just draw two lines, and then we'll go up, and we'll just connect that. And then we'll add in some details on the drum, and then there's gonna be a little bit of a detail here, so just come out with a little rectangle, slanted. And then let's finish up the drum. We'll just add some circles in there. So let's finish up the grip, and we'll add some detail here. So right here on the bottom, we'll just draw one angle, and there's gonna be a lot of weird shapes here. Okay, just gonna hook it in, and then we're gonna just curve it around, slant down, and then we'll go back up. Okay, and then from here we'll add in a couple more. So we're gonna slant it up, same slant, and then we'll just draw that. All right, and then let's go up here. So right in the middle, we're gonna draw one long rectangle. Then we're gonna draw a rectangle in here. This is where the shells come out. And then on the bottom here, we'll just extend this. Again, two little details, circle. And then here, there's gonna be one large circle right in the middle. And smaller one in here. And then there's gonna be a curve, so just curve around this. And then wherever you end up, just kind of go up and down. Okay, so some pretty cool details. So let's move to the back. We'll finish up the stock first. So we're gonna come back, then slant down, and then we're gonna extend this until we meet up with that. And then we're gonna go all the way back. Come down, right around here. And now we're gonna slant down and just try to meet up with that, and close it off with a horizontal line. And then for the details, we can come down here, and then we're gonna slant all the way back. This horizontal. And then we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna draw one more. So we're just following the shapes here. These lines, we're gonna add in a little triangle. Okay, and then we're gonna add in 3 circles in here. And then for some more details, draw 2 lines, just curve that, and then one little rectangle here with a slant. And then for the rear, right here, just come out, one little rectangle here, and this is supposed to be, I don't know, some kind of, looks like a tail or something, right? So it's a very odd shape. Draw a line. Alright, so let's move on to the front, which is really cool. That's with the dragon head. So we're gonna start up here, make a little slant, and then we're gonna go all the way out across. Okay, so here's the tricky part. So once you come about this far, draw like a curve, like a little hump. So that's gonna be the eye. And then we're gonna start in here. So we're gonna draw the eye shape here, which is gonna be the same as the outside shape. And then I'll add in a line. Let me shade this in so we can see. And there's gonna be 2 more lines, and I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Alright, so let's move on before we add in more details to this. So we're gonna start out right here on the bottom. From this line here, we're just gonna extend it all the way out. So past the eye. And then now let's draw in the mouth area. So we're gonna curve slightly down, and then we're just gonna move out until we meet up to this line and just kind of curve it. And then once we have that, we're just gonna give this line some thickness. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the rest of the mouth. So we're gonna continue this curve here. And then we're gonna slant up past this point here. And then we're gonna go up. So this is the snout. And we're just gonna turn it back into the eye. And then we're gonna give this same line here some thickness. So this is the lip. Okay, so that's probably the trickiest part. Now let's finish up this gun first, this muzzle here. So around the mouth area, we're just gonna come down. And then we're gonna add 1 rectangle right in the middle. And then we're just gonna flare it out slightly. And then close it off. Okay, so now let's finish up let's add this part here. It's got a little beard here on the bottom. So we just draw that. And then for his nose area, the nostril, we're just gonna, almost in the middle, just kind of come down and just draw in some little detail. Let's see, I think there's 1 more line in here. All right, so from here, let's draw in the horn. So the horn, from the eye, we're just gonna go up, down, and just kind of curve it out. And then we're gonna come down from a point, just go all the way back. We're gonna add in some sections in here. All right, so now we can finish off the little details up here. So we're gonna start here, this corner of the eye, just kind of come down past this, up, just kind of go up to the edge, and then come back down, and then connect that. So it looks like this is one continuous piece. Okay, and then from here, I'm gonna draw a curve, slant up. From the middle here, we're gonna draw the same curve, slant up, and just add a little hook there. And we can add in some detail, just 2 lines here. And let's add in a little more detail here, just a little hook. So there's all these little patterns. And then let's see, there's gonna be 4 bolts in here, or screws. There's gonna be 2 up here. And let's see, let's finish up the little details. There's gonna be 2 little rectangles up here. And then there's a little tube here. So from the back, just go back and then just hook it down. And then we're gonna give the line some thickness. So we're just gonna follow it through and all the way back. And that is it for this Dragonfire gun in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.